Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to study le pluriel des noms, the plural form of nouns. How we make the nouns plural in French. Where there are various ways, there are various exceptions also. So we will discuss it today. One of the foremost thing we will like to discuss is when we have definite article le, la, l apostrophe, we have to convert it into les in the plural form. You all know it. The plural form in definite articles we have les for the plural. A, un changes to they. So I have written in the oblique forms in all the examples that definite articles le, la, l apostrophe changes to les. A, un changes to they. Okay? Just remember it. Now, how we make plural? First, most of the nouns are made plural by adding s to a singular noun. In English also, from making from singular to plural, we generally add s. Boy, boys. Okay. Similarly, we have the word garçon. It's in the singular form. Either it can take le or un. Depending upon the article, we will change it. Le will be changed into les. Un will change into they. Okay. Now we add s in the garçon. Over here, when we add s, it becomes plural form. So it becomes les garçons or des garçons. Next, it's the feminine noun. La is written un. La changes to les. If un is written, un will change to they. Now glass is there, we will add just s over here. So it becomes, if la glass is there, it will become les glass. If un glass is there, it will become they glass. Okay. Let's see the second point. Nouns ending with s, x, z in the singular form do not change in the plural. What does it mean? The nouns which are end with s, x and z, they remains as it is in the plural form. We are not going to add anything, we are not going to remove anything. Same spelling will be there. The only change will be in the articles. Le, un, fils, les, they. If le, fils is there, it will become les. If un is there, it will become they. Fils remains same spelling. La, un, crua, les, they, crua. Le, oblique un, ne, les, they, ne. Okay? Just remember the spellings remain same in the plural form if the nouns are ending with s, x and z. Fine? Now, the third form. By changing the nouns ending with al, ail. It's l. Al or ail. We change it into aux in the plural form. Okay. Here you can see article. I hope you understood it. Le will change into les. Le again les. They. Okay. Now, what we do? You can see the nouns. These are ending with al as it is written. Ail. Okay. We change in the plural form into aux. This al changes to aux. This ail changes to aux in most of the nouns which are ending with al and ail. So le, un, journal, les or they, journaux. Le, un, travail, les, they, travaux. Okay? Just remember it. But there is an exception. More exceptions are there. I am discussing the one. Le, un, festival. Now, festival is also, you will say, ma'am, it's changing with it's ending with al. Since it's ending with al, we are not going to change to aux because festival takes s. It doesn't changes to aux. So this is an exception. You got to learn it that festival takes s, not aux. Okay. By changing the nouns ending with when the nouns end with EAU, EU, OU, EAU changes to EAUX, EU, EUX, OU, OUX. Or in general we can say we have to put X with each of the forms. Okay. Let's see. L will change to lay. In 3, L is there, we changes to lay. Is there, we changes to they. If whichever article is there, changes to lay or they. Now let's see the nouns. It is ending with EAU, so we will write EAUX. Here EU is there, we write EUX. OU is there, OUX. So it's become le un bâton, les des bâtons. Le un neveu, les des neveux. Le un bijou, les des bijoux. Okay, the pronunciation doesn't changes, it remains same. The only difference is we are putting either you can say X or we are putting EAU, X, EUX or OUX. Okay, this is X if you're not able to understand my writing. Next, again, as we have the previous point exceptions, in this also we have the exception. Here you can see the word coup and through. According to the rule, what we did, OU changes to OUX, but coup and through takes S, not X. We put S in the end to make them plural. Okay, remember this. Coup and through are ending with OU. We started in the point that OU changes to OUX, but they take S. They are exceptions. Is it clear, everybody? Just remember it. And there are other exceptions also. We will study in the class. Okay? Till then, just remember all the points we did. Okay? Try to memorize the points, how we change the endings, how we do in which whatever ending we have. Okay? And remember, indefinite articles in changes to they, la, la, l apostrophe changes to lay, the definite articles. Okay? We have to change the articles while making plural form. Thank you for today.